Are you looking for the top 5 best fiberglass shower cleaners? Tired of scrubbing away at soap scum and hard water stains with no end in sight? Here are the 5 best options I found, and one you should definitely avoid.
Product number 1, Oxyclean Bathroom Cleaner. First up is the Oxyclean Bathroom Cleaner, which really caught my eye with its powerful stain-fighting claims. Priced competitively, this cleaner is a favorite among those looking for a reliable solution. If you want a cleaner that kills bacteria and leaves your bathroom sparkling, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The Oxyclean Bathroom Cleaner kills 99.9% of bacteria and viruses, including the virus that causes COVID-19 when used as directed. That's huge for peace of mind, especially in a space like your shower where germs can thrive. The formula fights soap scum and hard water buildup effectively, so you won't be left scrubbing for hours. Plus, it's powered by Oxyclean, meaning the stain-fighting bubbles work to penetrate tough messes with ease. With over 4,000 units sold in just the last month, it's clear that people trust this cleaner to tackle their shower grime. Now, some people complained about this scent being a bit overpowering. Here's the thing though, while I can see how it might be a bit much for some, I actually found the fresh scent quite pleasant and it doesn't linger too long after cleaning. So if you're sensitive to strong fragrances, this might be a factor for you. This is perfect for you if you want a disinfectant that also fights tough stains without too much elbow grease. But skip this one if you're looking for a cleaner with a gentle scent that won't overwhelm you. For the effectiveness it offers, the value for money is definitely there. Now, if the strong scent of Oxyclean isn't your thing, the next product might be more your style.
Product number 2, Coxy Cleaning Brush Set. Next up is the Coxy Cleaning Brush Set, which is priced at just $11.99 and caught my attention with its ergonomic design and dual functionality. If you want a reliable tool for scrubbing that also protects your hands, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The contoured handle absorbs pressure, so you won't be putting all that strain on your knuckles while scrubbing away. The stiff sponge bristles easily tackle grime and mildew, making them great for tough spots around your home like sinks and tubs. Plus, it's lightweight and non-scratch, so you can use it on delicate surfaces without worrying about damage. With over 2,000 units sold last month, it's clear that many find this brush set effective for their cleaning needs. Now, some users mentioned that the bristles could wear down after prolonged use. Here's the thing, while that's a valid concern, I found out with proper care they held up pretty well. If you're a heavy cleaner who needs something more durable, just keep in mind you might need to replace it sooner than later. This is perfect for you if you want an easy-to-use cleaning tool that can reach into tight spaces. But skip this one if you need something that will last through heavy-duty scrubbing without a hitch. For the price, it's a decent investment for lighter cleaning tasks. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those of you looking for a power tool enhancement to your cleaning routine. Product number 3, Drill Brush Power Scrubber Kit. Now, let's talk about the Drill Brush Attachment Set, priced at $19.99. This product grabbed my attention because it turns your ordinary drill into a cleaning powerhouse. If you want to cut your cleaning time in half, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The medium stiffness nylon bristles attach easily to your favorite cordless drill, so you can blast through tough stains on tubs and tiles without breaking a sweat. Installation is a breeze with the quick change shaft, making it user-friendly for both DIYers and professionals. This kit is designed for longevity, so you won't be buying replacements anytime soon. With 2,000 units sold, it's gaining popularity among those who want a quick clean. Now, some people pointed out that it requires a drill, which you might not have at home. Here's the thing though, if you already own a drill, this is a fantastic way to make cleaning much easier. If you don't, it might not be the best investment for you. This is perfect for you if you want to speed up your cleaning process and don't mind using power tools, but skip this one if you're looking for a manual cleaning solution. Given its performance, the price point is quite justified. Now, if the idea of using power tools for cleaning doesn't appeal to you, the next option takes a completely different approach. Product number 4, Method Antibacterial Cleaner. Next on the list is the Method Antibacterial Bathroom Cleaner in Spearmint, which is a popular choice for those who care about eco-friendliness. The price point is competitive, and it's definitely worth checking out if you're looking for a greener cleaning solution. If you want something that also smells fresh while tackling mold and mildew, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically.
This cleaner is formulated to remove mold and mildew stains while being safe for the environment. It's a non-toxic option that you can feel good about using in your home. With its 28 fluid ounce bottle, it's designed to tackle tough bathroom grime without harsh chemicals, making it ideal for families or anyone with sensitivities. Many have purchased this product, indicating it meets a real need for cleaner household options. Now, some users have mentioned that it takes a bit more elbow grease for tough stains. Here's the thing though, if you're dedicated to using more eco-friendly products, the extra scrubbing might be worth it to you. Plus, it's a great option for regular maintenance cleaning. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a natural and effective cleaning solution without harmful ingredients. But skip this one if you want a quick fix product for deep stains. For its eco-conscious approach, it offers great value. Finally, if you're looking for a scrubber that helps you avoid bending over while cleaning, my last pick might be right up your alley.
Product number 5, Moku Home Shower Scrubber. Last but definitely not least is the Moku Home Shower Scrubber, priced at $28.95. This tool caught my eye due to its extendable handle that saves your back while cleaning. If you want to make cleaning a breeze without bending down, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The adjustable length from 47.5 to 58 inches means you can customize it to your height, making it perfect for those hard-to-reach spots without the strain. The 3-in-1 cleaning attachments work on a variety of surfaces, from fiberglass to tile, so you're covered no matter what you need to clean. With over 500 sold, many are finding relief from back pain while keeping their bathrooms spotless. Now, some have noted that the attachments can sometimes feel a bit flimsy. Here's the thing. While they might not be as sturdy as traditional scrubbers, they do a great job if used gently, and the ease of use is a huge plus. This is perfect for you if you want to avoid bending and want an all-in-one cleaning tool. But skip this one if you need something ultra-durable for heavy scrubbing. Given its thoughtful design, it provides solid value for your money.
To quickly recap, we've explored the Oxyclean bathroom cleaner, Coxy cleaning brush set, drill brush power scrubber kit, Method antibacterial cleaner, and Moku home shower scrubber. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the Oxyclean because of its unbeatable disinfecting power that really tackles tough stains. Avoid the Method cleaner if you want something that works quickly for deep stains. I've put all the links in the description below. Check them out and let me know in the comments which one you're going with.